Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily hide sheets in Google Sheets. So let's start. First, I will just insert few sheets, and let's say that you want to hide them so other people won't see it, or just like you have many sheets that you want to get rid of. So what you want to do is just click on it and then just hide sheet, and again hide sheet. So when I have it, what I want to do now is just click here on view, and you will find it here, hidden sheet. Okay, 4, 5, and 6, and voila, you got it. So it's quite simple. Now what I'm going to do, I will just click here and delete it, and that's how we do it. This is how we hide sheets. Thank you very much everybody, have a great day, and see ya. Delete. Voila.